Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this video we are going to unravel the concept of data fabric, which is like gaining a significance in the data world. So here we are going to take a deep dive and learn all about data fabric, its definition, as well as explore their features and its relevance in the world of evolving data landscape. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now let's begin with the basics of data fabric. So data fabric is nothing but a modern data management tool in which it will allow us for seamless data access as well as the data integration and managing across the distributed environments. So that is very important part because our data will come from many other sources as well as it will be in different velocity as well as in different formats, and to unify them and maintain the integration and access to that data, having a data fabric solution is very useful for every data driven industry. So if we talk about the features of data fabric, it will allow us the data integration as well as real-time access to our data, as well as the data orchestration, the data security and compliance, as well as creating a unified data environment. That is very important. So these are the major features of a data fabric solution. So you may ask how it works really and what are their different components. So data fabric consists of several components. So it will include like the data connectors as well as the metadata management system, which manages the metadata of your workloads, as well as it has the data virtualization layer and the data governance tool. And these all components work together to provide you a great data fabric solution. So all that said, there are several advantages of implementing data fabric in your organization. So data fabric will simplify the data access, the data integration, as well as it will enhance the agility of your data, and it supports data driven decision making capability and also supports hybrid and multi cloud world. So that is a plus because many industries are already migrated their workloads on the cloud, and some of them are using hybrid cloud approach because they may have some sensitive data that only should limited on the on-premise servers. So for that, having a data fabric solution will be way more easier for data access. So you may ask what really are the real world use cases of the data fabric. So data fabric is very popular in the real-time data management as well as the IoT data management. Also, as you already know that it is also good option for data integration, as well as it ensures the data consistency in the hybrid environments where you have some data present on premise and some data present on a cloud platform. So in that time, having an integration with data fabric is really the way to go. So data governance is a key aspect for implementing data fabric. So it will ensure the data governance by providing the data lineage as well as the cataloging of the data and the access control features. So it will really help us establish data governance in our organization. And if we compare data fabric to a traditional approach, it has many advantages. So let's talk about that now. So unlike traditional data approaches and the data management system, data fabric will give us more agile development as well as the more scalable solution, and it is designed to handle like the complexity of the modern data architecture. So that's why data fabric is like a quite good choice for every organization who are leveraging data to take meaningful business insights and the business decisions. But what is the future, right? What is the future of data fabric? So as the data ecosystem will grow and has more complexities in the future, then data fabric is like expected to play a pivotal and more important point to ensure like the data governance, data accessibility, as well as the management of data. So that's why the future is pretty bright for data fabric. So to conclude this video, data fabric is quite powerful and a game changer in modern data management. So it empowers every organization to harness the true potential of their data as well as in the dynamic and the distributed data environment. So I hope you like this video. So please give it a subscribe and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.